We're just going to go over a few of the stocks that we're looking at yesterday in yesterday's video, especially Meta, because we were right on Meta and also we were right on SPY. Amazon took a couple hours for it to actually break above the levels that we talked about, but so far Meta was the real winner today. So let's look at Meta today, as well as let me pop up a few of the screenshots that I mentioned in my Discord that we were about to get a break on Meta. So here, look at this. So early in the morning, I already mentioned at 6:26, so 4 minutes before the market even opened, I said that Meta is getting ready to break early morning, and right before the market even opened, 30 seconds before, it popped and it broke above. So it was pretty hard to even try to catch an entry, but as soon as the market opened, it did come down within the first few seconds to the 9 EMA, which made it real easy to try to get a contract in at 320. Ran from 320 all the way to 420, so a whole $100 a contract. If anybody caught that, I unfortunately did not, but so far we were correct on where Meta had more room to go to. And so far it's even doing another flag. So honestly, it might even continue on up even more. And I don't really have any other levels to plan to take any more calls at. I'll just let it run and do its thing, wait for it to come back down, and then we can mess with it some more. But let's look at SPY real quick. SPY also did the same thing early morning, just pumped all day, but that's where we did take some trades at, which was SPY. SPY was real nice. You can see it broke both of the call levels, making it real easy for any type of entry, to be honest. But where we got in at was on this flag early in the morning, which was real nice. It was holding support, and we hopped in some calls, collected a nice 29% on some SPY calls twice. First trade was 25%, second trade was 29%, and all day it just freaking ran. Those contracts went from $80 to $525, but I didn't even hold all the way till then. I got out at pretty lower premium than what that was. So I wish I would have held at least one or two of them. That would have been real nice. That would have been. I would haven't even needed to trade anymore. And then the last stock we were looking at, which was Amazon, it actually did break above, but towards the last hour and a half of the day. So I wasn't even paying attention to that. I was at work, but you can see right here, early in the morning, it broke between both of those levels that we said we would just be watching, not really trading it, because if you did try to trade it, this is exactly why I said we shouldn't even take the risk on these levels, because you can see it's just going sideways on it. So it's not worth it. But the moment you break above that one single level that we talked about, 148.57, beautifully, it just continues on up, doesn't even come back to retest it. It's a strong level. So that's pretty much it for the recap on these three stocks that we're looking at. So far, we're just going to probably trade some other stocks like SPY and Apple. Apple looks pretty nice for tomorrow. It caught some nice buyers today, and it's looking like it's going to break at the 38.2% Fibonacci level. So we'll just wait on that to probably get some more calls on that. And other than that, that's all I'm watching. So I'll see you guys tomorrow if I do create another one for a recap, or if I just post a trade plan for tomorrow. So we'll see what happens.